If you think you can't get rich from your salary, you've been lied to. It is not about how much you earn, it is what you do with what you earn. There are people who earn 300K but stay broke every month, and there are those earning below but have quietly built investment. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get rich from your salary, not by working harder, but by working smarter with your money. And no, I'm not talking about saving every kobo or living like a monk. I'm talking about building systems that make your salary serve you instead of the other way around. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doyinsala Toye. I am a certified chartered accountant. On this channel, I share smart tips that help you make, manage, and grow your money. If you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to click on that subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. Have you gotten my new ebook, Investing for Everyday People? The feedback has been amazing. If you're yet to get yours, click the link in the description box below to get your copy today. I also have a growing community on Telegram, so do join us and let us grow our money together. The link will also be in the description box below. Now let's get into the subject matter of today. Let's be honest, most of us were never taught how to manage our salaries. We grow up thinking, when I earn more, I will save more. But the truth is, the more you earn, the more you spend. It is called lifestyle creep, and it's one of the silent killers of wealth. You get a salary increase, and suddenly your rent increases. You realize that no, your clothes are no longer befitting, you need to upgrade your wardrobe. Your shoes, you need to change it. And even that your hairstylist, you suddenly realize that she does not know how to do the job again. You need to change and get another person. And before you know it, your expenses are caught up with your income again. So, the first step to getting rich from your salary is to break that cycle. You need to make a decision and tell yourself, when you get an increase, your lifestyle is not going to move, your investments will do. Now let's talk about the salary formula that build wealth. Here is a simple structure that works. When your salary lands, divide it into four buckets. The first bucket is the need bucket. 50% of your income should go into this. I'm talking about rent, transport, electricity, food. This is your survival money. Anything you need for basic necessity for basic survival. The number two bucket is the growth bucket. 30% of your income should go into this: investment, building wealth, tithe. This is where you grow your net worth, whatever grows your net worth. And the third bucket is the freedom bucket. 10% of your income should go into this: savings, emergency fund, even black tax. This is the money you need for rainy day. And the last bucket is the fun bucket. 10% of your income should also go into this. Yes, you should enjoy your money. The goal is not to suffer. The goal is to be smarter. But the key here is automation. You need to automate everything. Don't wait till the end of the month to find out what is left, because nothing will be left. So you need to set up automatic transfers, you need to set up standing orders, and treat your investment like your rent. It must leave your account. This is how wealth is built: by consistency, by discipline, and not by leaving it to chance. Now let's talk about what you should actually do with the 30% growth money. You should not be chasing risky investment. You should focus on turning your salary into income generating assets, things that make your money work harder for you without extra hours, even while you sleep. And for my fellow believers, your 10%, which is your tithe, will come from that 30%. I know that different people have different convictions and opinions about giving, but for me personally, I see it as honoring God first, even before growing my money, because it is not just about how much you earn, it is also about who you trust with it. Now let's see what it looks like. A part of your 30% gross money should go into investment. We're talking about stocks, we're talking about ETFs, we're talking about FGN savings bond, money market fund, treasury bills, commercial papers. I have a detailed video on each of these investment vehicle. I will drop the links in the description box below so that you can watch them for guidance, how to invest, how much you need to invest, where you should invest, and all that you need to get started will be in the videos. And then another part should also go to starting a side income. Some side income you don't even need money to start, right? Like starting a YouTube channel with your phone. You don't need to have all of the gadgets before you start. You can turn your knowledge into income generating assets. Create an ebook, create a course, offer your service, do drop shipping. You don't need money to start any of this. And finally, you should learn a skill. Take a short course, upskill or gain certification that makes promotion or getting another job easier. Because building wealth is not just about how much you earn today, but how much of your skills can make you more money tomorrow. Here is something most people never think about. Your salary should grow faster than inflation. And one way to make that happen is to grow faster than your job. Instead of waiting for your company to realize your value, you need to make yourself too valuable for them to ignore. And one thing I've learned is that one of the fastest way to get increase on your salary is by changing jobs, but not in all cases, except for some sector that you stay right there. Sometimes the fastest way to get rich from your salary is by getting a new salary. And you notice that focused on income. I'm not talking about cut your expenses, reduce that, reduce that. While that is important, there is a limit to how much you can reduce your expenses. But there is no limit to how much you can increase your income except you place the limit on yourself. Your income is your most powerful wealth building tool. If your salary is low, you need to increase your income. The more money you have, the more money you are able to invest, and the more returns you're able to get compared to someone that is starting low. But this is not an excuse for you not to start with what you have. Most of this investment you can start with as little as 5,000 naira, but make sure that you're constantly increasing your income. Here is the truth nobody tells you. Getting rich from your salary won't happen overnight, but it will happen when you build habits that help you make money even while you sleep, make money harder than you work. Don't wait for the big break. Start with what you earn now and build consistently. Because wealth is not about law, it's about direction. So if you give your salary a direction, slowly but surely you are going to get there. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment, subscribe. This tells YouTube that more people need to see this content. Now I want to hear from you in the comment section. What is the hardest part of managing your salary? Is it saving? Is it investing? Or is it saying no to expenses? Drop all of it in the comment section. I might probably do a follow-up video to do a breakdown. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.